Hey guys, this is Nathan with Winner's Edge Trading, and today I'm talking to you about Forex trading systems and what a Forex trading system really is. And so one of the first things that I think is very important to clear up is the fact that an entry strategy is only part of a Forex trading system. It's not the Forex trading system in itself. I've heard so many traders talk about, what is your Forex trading system, and they describe all the rules of their entry strategy and say that's my system. But really, an entry strategy is a great thing, and it's very critical, and it's very important to give you profit potential. But that's really all it does do. It gives you potential. It doesn't actually make you money on its own. And that's why, to really achieve a long-term successful Forex trading system, you need all of the other foundations that we're talking about. You need a good plan, and you need solid risk management, a good strategy for how you're going to manage live trades. You need to implement your tools successfully. But the entry strategy in itself is not going to make you money. It's only going to give you the opportunity to make money, and that's a very big difference and a very important difference to make. To give you an example of that, I have a Euro-AUD chart up here. I'm just going to give you an example of an entry that you could take. We have the Euro-AUD. It's moving in a long-term downtrend. This is actually a weekly chart of the Euro-AUD. You can see a lot of bearish momentum over a long period of time, and just recently we had a reversal in the market and started building this little uptrend here, which has been tested a little while. It's definitely a legitimate uptrend, but as we speak, there's a weekly bar that's breaking back through this upward trend line and showing a lot of momentum to the downside. This bar here, very strong. This one only halfway through the week and already showing a lot of momentum. And so what we have here is a great opportunity to enter into the market, because this shows continuation potential of a very nice long-term trend. You could potentially target all the way down to the bottom of this previous downtrend, which is over 1,000 pips. But what's important to note here is that the entry, if you make an entry here, say this bar were to close and you make an entry here, if this trade goes 1 pip or 500 pips or 1,000 pips from this point, the entry strategy has nothing to do with how much profit you actually take. Of course, it does have to do with how much room this has to move and how far it can go, and all those things are important. But as far as how much profit you're actually taking from the trade, what really establishes that is the risk management and the trade management, and if you're using your tools to help you, squeeze as much profit out of the trade as possible, and if you're following your plan on the trade, all of the other factors, all of the other foundations of a trading system are what really allow you to make a profit on this trade. The entry strategy only sets you up for success. And so again, that's very important. You must have a good entry strategy, an accurate entry strategy to give you lots of profit potential. But that in itself is never going to lead to a profitable trader, because it's all those other components that provide the consistency and the profitability in a Forex trading system.